everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jackie. I am a certified massage therapist and I'm passionate about holistic health and wellness, and today I'm going to show you all the products and tools that I use for my private clients in my side business, because I do currently work at a luxury spa. However, I do have some clients on the side. And then stay tuned because I'll talk about my experience working with my private clients and some tips and advice as well. So let's go ahead and get started. So before I get started, I just want to let you all know that I will provide the links in the description box. So if you do want to get these products, they'll be down below. Alright, so this is the first product that I use, and this is the stool that I sit on during my massages. And the great thing about this is that it actually collapses, as you can see. So I don't sit down too much when I massage, but of course when I'm massaging the shoulders, that whole area, the neck, I do sit down for that. And so I love this so much. It's super lightweight, as you can see. Lightweight, and of course when you put it in your bag, it won't be too heavy for you. So this is a must for me, and they also have different colors as well. Alright, now this is the lotion that I use when I massage. It is a cream lotion. It has more of like an oil consistency. And the reason why I like this is because it is all organic, all natural. The ingredients aren't too harsh at all. So, you'll see a lot of essential oils here. They have chamomile extract, white willow, other types of natural ingredients, but I do like this a lot. It has a smooth glide to it as well. It doesn't irritate my skin when I massage. And then also it gives you a non-oily feeling so that you don't feel too oily, too sticky after the massage. So this is what I use. And then this is my bottle as well that I use for the massage. So very easy. Alright, this is another product that I use as well, more so for deep tissue and sports massages and massages where I do a lot of stretching. And this is a massage gun. As you can see, it's from First Health. And I actually wouldn't recommend this brand. I don't know, I use a specific massage gun at my actual job, and it feels so good. And I think the one at work is a lot more powerful. But actually, this was a gift from my old company for working there for like 5 years, so I'd have to choose a gift from them. And then they also have different heads as well, so you can pull this out and then you can apply different heads to the massage gun. Of course it works just fine, but I would also recommend researching on different brands. But I love a massage gun. It really gets deep into the muscles. And also just like the vibrations of a massage gun, it's kind of hard to mimic as a massage therapist, so I think it's an amazing tool to use, more likely for sports and deep tissue massages. Hey guys, so I was cleaning my bed right now. So I actually forgot to mention this product. This is the Clean Smart Daily Surface Cleaner, and this is what I use to clean my bed, and especially the face cradle right over here. This kills 99.9% of viruses and bacteria and then leaves no chemical residue. So yeah, this is what I use, and I think it works really well. One of my classmates actually recommended this product to me. Clean Smart. Alright, so these are more of the relaxing tools that I use for my massages, but this is actually a heating pad. And I just love a heating pad, especially because when you're relaxed, when you're kind of in that dream state during a massage, your temperature actually goes down. So sometimes for me, when I get massages, I actually feel a little bit cold at times, and sometimes I wish that I had a heating pad or a heated table. And because the table that I have is not heated, I think this works pretty well. I like to put it on their back after I finish massaging their back, or I like to put it on their stomach. Oh, I love a warm stomach. It feels so good. So I love just a mini heating pad, especially if you do not have a heated table. So this is amazing. Also, you can put this on their feet as well, and it just feels warm and cozy, and it doesn't make your client feel cold during the session. There's nothing worse than feeling cold during a session. Like sometimes I feel amazing, I'm getting a massage, but I'm also like shaking inside because it's so cold. So that's great. Other products to keep you warm is this it has lavender beads inside of it, but I think you can actually microwave this, or you can put it in a towel warmer, and then you can just put it right over here on their shoulders. It's nice and warm, and of course you can put like a little cover over this so that it looks cuter, but this feels so nice. And then also it smells like lavender as well, so there's lavender beads inside of this. When they're laying down, it's nice and warm, and it helps to relax the shoulder muscles. So, and then this brand is called Sonoma Lavender, and then also has the microwave instructions for you right over here. And yeah, I just think that these kinds of products add a little bit of luxury to your private business. More luxury products are these little microwavable booties. So again, you know, if your client tends to be a little bit colder, you can put these actually on their feet like so. You can see that, but you can put it on your feet like this. And then there's, again, the little lavender beads inside. You can feel that right over here. There's lavender beads, and then you can warm it up in the microwave, and then your feet will be really nice and warm and cozy during the massage session. So this is what they look like, and this is from the brand EcoFin. So it's all eco-friendly, paraffin alternatives. There we go. Then I have these face cradle sheets as well. These are more for chair massages actually. So you put this on the chair massage face cradle, you know, when you're doing your session. And I have a whole bunch of these actually. If you make a lot of acquaintances and friends in this whole industry, they give you a lot of products. So someone gave me these. I got this actually from my job. They were giving away products as well. One of my coworkers actually gave me a whole bunch of fitted sheets for a massage table as well. So make a lot of connections. You never know what you may receive from other people in your industry, or you can even give away some of your products as well, just to help people out, you know? So this is very helpful for massage chairs. All right, so these that I have in my hands are actually essential oils, and they're from this brand called Revive Essential Oils. And they're an online e-commerce essential oils brand, all organic, all natural, and third-party testing as well. And the best part is that this is not an MLM brand. So MLMs are like multi-marketing pyramids, multi-marketing companies where people sell their products, or they have like salespeople to sell you oils, and that makes the price of the oils more expensive. But for these oils, you can just buy them online, way more affordable, and they're also good quality as well. So not sponsored, by the way, I just love these oils. I use them in my practice. People love them as well. People tend to love peppermint and lavender. I mean, I love peppermint. Whew, it just like, it makes you calm, but also like invigorates your senses. So I love all these oils. I will show you my collection right now. So I have a whole bunch of oils that I use, not just in my massage practice, but also on an everyday basis as well. So I use this, I put it in my lotions and my oils, and then I use it on my clients. Helps to relax their muscles. This is not really like, you don't have to have essential oils, but a lot of massage therapists do have them in their practice. And then of course I have to have a water bottle, just in case I get dehydrated throughout my massage. You know, massage is very active. Sometimes I get a little bit dehydrated, like I need water in my system to keep me energized and to keep me awake. So I always have water, but specifically with lemon as well, because I love lemon water and it just tastes better. And you know, you just have to be hydrated as a massage therapist. All right, so now I want to show you all the bed that I use, the sheets that I use for my massage practice as well. All right, so this is the bed that I use right over here, as you can see. I actually just had a client that came over today. She just left, and so that's why I have everything set up. But this is my bed. So this is the brand that I use. It's called Stronglite, and I carry this around with me wherever I go, if I have any private clients, or if I'm just working here at my home. And I actually really do enjoy it because, as you can see, here's the thickness of the table. You can't really tell, but it actually does have a lot of cushion in it. So, you know, it's not too hard on the client's body. So I bought some fleece blankets for the outer layer of the sheets, just so that it keeps my clients warm during their massage. This isn't too thick at all, as you can see, but I think it's good if you're on the go. You don't want to have too thick of sheets when you're lugging your table around. Then of course this is a second sheet that I use, and then this is the fitted sheet as well. So this goes onto the bed, and everything actually is perfect to the size of this bed. You know, as you can see, it's not too long, the sheets aren't too long, the blanket is perfectly sized. And then I also have a bigger blanket as well. So this is what it looks like. It's actually not difficult at all to assemble. And then of course this is the face cradle sheet. This one's actually clean, so that's why I didn't put it on the bed. Or you can also use a pillowcase as well. When a client comes over, I just like to keep my house as calming as possible. So this is my TV, and then also you can put spa music on during the session. I have some candles on, I have some essential oils in the bathroom. And then of course it's a very just relaxing, it's a more dim environment. I don't have a lot of windows open at the moment. Unless I go into my kitchen right over here, then of course it's a lot brighter. And then I also have a glass of water for them as well so that they can drink water afterwards. And then I also have a selection of teas that they can drink from after the session. So this is the environment of my home at the moment. Very cozy, very small, very intimate for my private clients. And you know, it's good for right now because I only have like 4 clients that I see on the regular. So it's not a lot, but it works for me because I also have my own job as well. So now let's talk about my experience with having my own private clients and kind of working for myself on the side. A lot of my coworkers actually have their own studios where they rent a studio space and people come to them as well as their side business. However, for me, at the moment, I think this is it's more reasonable for my lifestyle at the moment. The thing I love about massage therapy is that you can really start your business super easily. I mean, again, these are the products that I've showed you. However, to be honest, all you actually need is like sheets, a massage table, and then of course, a cream or an oil for massaging. So it's not quite too much. Of course, if you want to enhance the experience, I have all the products that I showed you earlier. But I really do enjoy having my own clients. There are pros and cons to it. So the pro is that you can actually do your own pricing. I would recommend doing some research on how much massages cost in your area. So, you know, for me, typical massages cost around like $120 to like $180 depending on how many hours the massage is. And then of course, if you're more experienced, it can go up to like $200+. So do your research when it comes to the pricing of massages and all your services, so you can make more money for a shorter amount of time. You know, because say you charge $120 for an hour massage and you have 3 massages that day, 3 clients, you know, that'll be around like $360 for 3 hours or so. But then you also have to include the time you're driving to your client's house and talking to them and setting everything up. So even though a massage may only be an hour each, so 3 hours, you have to take into consideration driving there, driving back home, talking to them, setting up, everything like that. So it's more than just 3 hours, but you can make good money working for yourself on the side. And then you also have to think about taxes as well. So if you make a decent amount of money, you have to register your business and think about taxes and all that stuff. You know, it's running your own business, so the money that you make also goes into your business as well. So, you know, buying more products, buying more sheets, etc. Yeah, it's awesome to work for yourself and to schedule your own clients and make more money for a shorter amount of time. However, it's not all yours to keep. Another good thing about having private clients is that you probably know everyone on a deeper level compared to working at a spa or at a chiropractic office where, you know, it's like different people every day. So your clients may be your friends, your family, or just, you know, word of mouth type of clients. And so you can really work on them, focus on specific areas that are needed. And so that can be a really good relationship building experience. And also, they will probably refer you to other friends as well, which is what happened to me. So overall, I think that it's smart for most massage therapists to have side businesses and have private clients because it can really, you can gain more experience from it, you can gain more business experience as well, and build relationships with your clients and really get to understand what kind of massages you like to do. You know, because at a spa, it's kind of the same massages every day. However, with your clients, you can like create your own menus, I guess, create your own services, do different kinds of techniques. I guess you can be more creative as well with your own business. So that's a little bit of my advice for running your own business on the side. So if you have any questions, comment down below, questions on having your own private business or just being a massage therapist in general, how to get started. I've had some emails already and it's been pretty awesome to really get to grow this community. So anyway, also thank you guys so much for the 920 something subscribers. I'm super grateful. I cannot wait to make more content for you guys. Love you all so much, and yeah, I'll see you next time, everyone. Bye.